Midland McDonald's. What can I get for you tonight?
G'day, love. Just give me a minute. Great. What do you want?
I will have a filet of fish.
A fillet of fish? Are you fucking serious, cunt?
Yes, I quite like those.
You tasteless fuck. I'm not getting you a fillet of fish.
Excuse me, are you ready to order?
Yeah, sorry, love. I'll grab 2 large double quarter pounder meals with bacon, both with a Coke, and a 6-pack of chicken nuggets.
That'll be $42.63.
$42.63, cunt, what the fuck? Right, mate, go 1 double quarter pounder meal and a Happy Meal, please.
Dr. Nefario, I bought lunch last...
Here's your order.
Yep, thanks, mate.
Oi, mate, do it, cut your burn out. Dr. Nefario, do not do a skid outside the McDonald's.
The bitumen, my canvas, the tyres, my brush, and today we shall hear the mighty Iron Line roar! Fuck!
Dr. Nefario, check out my brand new sporty Japanese...
You spastic cunt! Why the fuck did you buy a Toyota 86?
Well, it's actually a Subaru BRZ.
Bro, it's all the same shit. What the fuck possessed you to buy one of these oversized go-karts?
Well, I did my research and I wanted something I could both daily and take to the track.
Bro, don't be a fucking pussy and just daily a fucking race car. You're gonna have a Camry overtake you on both the public road and the fucking track.
But I'm going to do it up. I've already got some performance mods lined up for it, like a full catback exhaust.
What the fuck do you mean catback? Just chop the cut off.
It will sound better once it is running a little bit of boost.
So you're gonna spend another $20,000 for it to almost make as much power as a fucking Camry.
Just watch me, Nefario. Big things are planned.
An eternity later.
Bro, what the fuck have you done?
Unlike the girls, the car will not wake up one morning and decide that it does not love you anymore.
What a lovely day. You can't smell beautiful without AU, am I right, Groot?
Sure, I guess, but why are we at the park?
Because it's a bloody beautiful day to be. Oh, fuck! Groot, run!
Nefario, why? It is just...
There's more coming, Groot! Get to the fucking AU! Bro, the AU central locking system is fucked!
Nefario, just put the key in!
I can't, Groot! I'll have to gain the fucking ignition. I've only got the fob!
Quickly, what do we do?
The boat! I just remembered the latch is fucked!
So we can get back in the car?
No, Groot! This is where we stand! Never back down! Never fucking give up!
Dr. Nefario, check out my brand new 79 Series Land Cruiser!
Groot! You fucking dented! How much did you pay for that?
I don't think I want to say.
Oh, good, mate. I think I've found the... Fuck me! $130,000 fucking dollars!
Actually, it was 126,000.
Bro, the gun's only got a single fucking cup holder and it's still got wind-up windows!
Well, that's because they're less likely to break.
Bro, it's a brand new car with fuck all kilometers. I sure as shit hope that it wouldn't fucking break!
Well, they're made for practicality, not for comfort.
Fuck me! Do you carry a tree in the back for all the fucking oxygen you're wasting? Toyota have taken, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, way too fucking seriously for the last 20 years! Sell that fucking drivable house deposit and get yourself a real four-wheel drive like a Suzuki fucking Jimny! Groot, I have finally done it. I have created my latest invention.
For fuck's sake, Dr. Nefario, what have you done now?
My turbo AU Falcon was suffering from a severe lack of fueling, so I've gone down to my local Clark Rubber and I have purchased this high-pressure fuel pump.
Nefario, that is not a fuel pump, that is a pool pump.
This bad boy pumps up to 400 litres per minute, meaning I can dump my entire tank through the engine in a matter of seconds, resulting in a combustion sequence that this world is yet to witness!
Nefario, stop, you're going to destroy your engine and fuel injectors.
There's no need to fear, Groot. This is all being pumped into the indestructible 4-litre intake through these hose nozzles I found at Bunnings. Behold, the most powerful AU Falcon in the world!
Nefario, no! Dr. Nefario, check out my brand new HSV Club Sport.
Oh, well, Groot, you're actually bored. Wait, why the fuck does it have a standard rear end?
It's the special edition GXP Club Sport.
So you're telling me you paid all of the price, but for half of the fucking Club Sport?
Well, it actually has a unique creative user and lip sport.
Great, you damn cunt! Just when I thought you were finally onto something, you've gone and made me want to kickstart a fucking landmine!
Wait, I also bought this Ford Falcon.
Okay,
It's an FPV.
okay.
One of the GS special edition.
Hey, that's even fucking worse! It's just a normal Falcon with FPV badges and an overpriced sticker pack! Ah!
Dr. Nefario, can you please pay me back that $500? It has been 3 months.
Fuck me, Groot. You whinge more than a hungover Macca's worker on a Sunday morning. We'll sort it out after Smoko.
We have only been on site for 40 minutes. Our break isn't for another few hours.
Groot, it's Smoko when I say it's Smoko. What did you bring today?
I have shrimp fried rice.
Wait, Groot, are you telling me that a shrimp fried this rice?
No, it's shrimp fried rice.
Groot, I understand that. You're telling me a shrimp fried the rice.
Dr. Nefario, you act like you're this know-it-all, and here you are, failing to understand that a shrimp did not fry this fucking rice.
Suck it up, Princess. Smoko's over. We gotta get the job done so I can knock off and go chuck $500 on the pokies.
Dr. Nefario, what on earth is this?
Groot, this is an AU Falcon, the greatest vehicle to ever come off an Australian production line.
But it looks like a cockroach.
Groot, you can't spell Australia without AU.
Dr. Nefario, I don't understand that.
Just listen to the cunt on Lemmy, Groot. Listen to the fucking Lemmy, mate.
Dr. Nefario, I just lost $200 in the pokies.
Never back down, never give up, Groot.
What?
Groot, did you know 99% of gamblers give up before their big win?
I don't think that's how it works.
I may be 30 grand deep, but if I give up now, the casino wins.
Dr. Nefario, you need to stop.
Holy fuck, Groot, we just won the 20 grand jackpot. Just another 10 to go, we're up again. Up the fucking pokies.
Dr. Nefario, what are you doing?
Groot, you fuck knuckle, what does it look like I'm doing? I'm about to thunder cunt this car battery into the ocean.
Stop, why are you doing this? This is illegal.
It doesn't say anywhere on this beach that I can't, Groot.
You are going to destroy the Great Barrier Reef.
Somebody's got to charge the electric eels, Groot.
Nefario, no! Dr. Nefario, tonight we'll steal the moon!
Groot, I have a better idea. We're gonna steal the neighbor's cats.
But what do you want with the neighbor's cat? Whiskers and mittens?
No, Groot, you silly cunt. I'm talking about the catalytic converters he's got sitting under his 100 series Land Cruiser parked out the front.
But why?
We can extract the platinum and sell it for big bucks, Groot.
But Dr. Nefario, there's other ways to make money.
We're gonna hand out some free cut deletes, Groot. We're gonna be fucking rich!
Dr. Nefario, check out my brand new Tesla Model Y.
Groot, Tesla Model Y, the fuck did you do that?
I thought I'd do my part to reduce my carbon footprint.
Great, you dopey cunt. You realise that the environmental impact to produce the lithium battery in your glorified RC car is far greater than that of a petroleum vehicle.
But Dr. Nefario, it runs off electricity.
Groot, where do you think most of that energy comes from? Maybe next time when you're sitting at the servo like a fucking idiot watching every other cunt fill up, you can think about your contribution to the environment of sweet fuck all. Save the trees, crew! Save the fucking trees!
Dr. Nefario, check out my brand new ZP Commodore.
Fuck me, Drew, you daft cunt. That's not a Commodore, that's a rebadged insignia.
But the salesman, he said it was a Commodore.
This is a real Commodore, crew, powered by Australia's own mighty iron line with bushrod technology. Listen to the bushrod roar, crew. Listen to